Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence, or AI as it's commonly known, could revolutionize your business? Today, we delve into why and how integrating AI in the business world is becoming increasingly significant. Firstly, what exactly is AI? Simply put, artificial intelligence is the capability to replicate human intelligence and decision-making processes within machines. It encompasses techniques like machine learning and deep learning, which enable machines to learn from experience. But why should AI matter in business? Freedom and trust. Implementing AI aids in autonomously executing various tasks and instills trust as it operates systematically. Stability and dynamism. Employing AI brings about improvements in stability and dynamism within a business organization. It identifies areas of improvement through data and analysis. Now, let's see where AI is making strides in the business sectors. Guidance and decision-making. AI can assist business owners in supporting and suggesting decisions, thereby aiding them in making better choices. Improvement in customer service. With the use of AI, customer service can be enhanced, providing superior service to customers and increasing their satisfaction. Let's consider some examples of how AI is being used successfully in the finance, marketing, and production sectors. We will also share stories of successful businesses and the role AI has played in their achievements. In conclusion, AI is not just a fancy tech jargon. It is a powerful tool that has the potential to transform businesses, providing them with a competitive edge in today's fast-paced digital world. By understanding the potential of AI and how to use it effectively, businesses can leverage this technology to drive growth, improve efficiency, and provide a superior customer experience.